Hello guys, day 6 of learning SQL, and today we are going to look at the limit clause. The limit clause specifies how many rows we want in our output. For example, we can go back to our select statement. Let's say select everything from our table, which is the employee demographics table. Now, when we want to only retrieve 3 rows from the table, we introduce the limit clause. So we say limit 3, then we close that and run. As you can see, we are only given three rows since we specified we needed only 3 rows in the limit clause. We can say 1 row and run it, and as you can see, we are only given 1 row. The limit clause is very powerful when combined with the order by clause. Let's say, for example, in our table we order by the age. Let's say age in descending order. So we can limit this this query to give us either 1 or 2 rows. So when you run that, we see we only have two rows. So that's it with the limit clause. Follow for more as we continue learning SQL. Bye.